us know. What should we should challenge Buff Dad to next. First exercise of the fitness test, you can see Buff Duke is getting revved up, getting ready. He has 225 pounds on the trap bar deadlift here, and he's gonna go for 3 repetitions, and that is a total of 75 points.
79.
79, thanks.
Don't screw me over with the
points. Not
this early in the game.
They're good, I'm glad someone's paying attention. So as you can tell, he's gonna get in position here. His feet is just a little bit wider than hip width. He's gonna squat straight down, keep a vertical torso, and he's gonna push straight up, 3 repetitions, keep that neutral chin. Ready to go? Yeah. Come on, dude, you can do it. Let's go! Whoa! Whoa! That's it! Whoa! Your form is breaking a little bit at the end right there, but it's okay, it's okay.
I'm ready for combat, baby. The left one don't get you, the right one will. Okay, Brandon, what do we got here?
We got 405 pounds. Now, the max that they usually do for 100 points is gonna be 340 pounds, but we figure since we have to do a 2-mile jog, it's gonna take us about 30 minutes, we're gonna get 0 points, so we need to make up points in something that's a heavier lift here. So we're gonna go 405 pounds, 3 repetitions.
Come on now.
There we go.
Come on. Up and down, baby, up and down. 1. Come on, yeah. 2, oh yeah, you got this. 3, it's combat ready. Oh, he's going for 4, that's like 200 points. Oh, there's 5. Come on. Yeah. He's combat ready. What? Hudson's going for.
So the Army's 340, 3 reps, but Brandon just did 405, 5 reps, so.
What are you gonna do? 6?
I'm gonna try for 6.
6, he's gonna do it.
This is the Buff Dude's challenge.
Don't hurt yourself, or then you won't be able to go into combat.
That's true. I don't think I'll be going into combat anytime soon anyways.
Going for 6, I'm gonna count. That's 1, that's an easy one. That's 2, that's 2. Yeah, that's 3, 3 more. 4, you got this, man, you got this. There's 5, you got 6. Come on, bring it up. 6. Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, the point system went to someone else. Damn.
Okay. Now Brandon and Duke are gonna have to
carry
lift
him
me
off.
using their newfound trap bar deadlift lifting skill.
Oh, Junior. Okay, get on.
Okay, challenge number 2 is going to be the med ball throw behind the back. 100 points is 13.5 meters. So the way we're gonna do this challenge is whoever won the last one has to go first. Gives the other 2 a little bit chance to, get up that friendly competition. So,
that's you.
Let's do this.
Boom.
Where we at?
Right here. We are short.
No.
We are short of 13.5.
Damn it.
Go. He exceeded it! He passed it! Mark right there, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa! You're at 14 meters, which is 46.5 feet.
Yeah. Buff Dad over there, he's setting up 13.5, and then we have Hudson's record-breaking mark right there. Yep. Okay, here we go.
Right on the line, a little past 13.5.
Didn't quite beat it.
Here we go. Woo! Woo-hoo! Holy snikey! Woo! Holy snikey!
Yeah, baby! Blew it away!
Wow!
Yeah. What is that? What do we got?
The kid win 16 meters. Almost.
See, I did that on purpose just to build up the drama.
16.5 meters.
I could actually get 100 meters, but I'm just kind of holding back a little bit. Don't want to,
You're a long ways from 100, son.
Don't want to beat you guys too bad. We are actually behind the line the other way.
Oh, just checking.
Just checking. We're all legal here.
Yeah.
Okay, now, coaching, it's gonna be a squat. So if you ever try this in the future, you're gonna want to squat down, and it's gonna imagine like you're swinging a kettlebell. If you ever done kettlebell swings, it's a lot about hip extension, knee extension, and you're gonna kind of follow through to get that full extension. You're gonna go on your toes if you like, to get the full amount of force and strength throughout your whole body there.
So
try to keep the back as straight as you can. So
you're
that squat
swinging?
position. Well, you don't have to swing, but you are swinging at the last bit to throw it completely backwards.
Come on.
Here we go.
No!
It was just below 10 meters here.
I scratched, so you don't.
It was just about a foot below 10 meters.
Whenever you scratch, you don't even say how long.
It's like bowling. Oh. All right, well, it looks like you got a little worse.
A little worse?
It was, you got a little over 10 meters. So that was a little better, right?
Yeah.
I can't remember. It's so bad, it doesn't matter. It's these 10.5 meters was your record?
Yeah,
So
I'm
got,
just saying that I don't want a lot of points. That way I don't have to go into combat.
Oh, wow. So you have -5 points now?
There's another one. He caught it. He caught my best throw. God.
Denied.
You ready for this, Brandon? What is this? What are we doing next?
Push-up challenge here, and it's not just a standard push-up up and down. You're going all the way down and then releasing your grip off the ground. Your index finger can't go outside the shoulder, and you should have a very vertical or a very plank position. So your torso, upper and lower, should be in line at all times. And 70 push-ups is gonna be 100 points. That's like the gold medal here. And since I happened to take first place on the last challenge, I gotta go first.
Yeah,
and
let's go.
This is the push-up challenge, the sequel, part 2. Yeah.
Except this time you gotta have strict form.
Yeah, 4-range of motion in strict form. So here we go. And feet cannot be wider than a boot width apart here. Down, release.
War, soldier, win this war! Away that away. I'm gonna beat you under fire. Get down, soldier! How many?
45, I think.
Yeah, 45.
Hard to count. He's yelling in my ear, but I
No,
guess
I'm trying to inspire
that's what they do. The drill sergeants.
Yeah, sergeant. Yeah. So see, sergeants shouldn't have to do the contest because they've already done a lifetime of experience and physical fitness. Now why do I have to prove myself?
He's always trying to get out of this stuff, I swear.
Who's ready?
Ah! Yeah! Yeah!
No, I think it's 46, but we'll find out in the editing.
All right, Pops, you ready?
Yeah.
1.
Oh, that was 1?
Yup. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, yeah, 26, 27, 28, come on, 29, dipping a bit, 30, hell yeah.
Oh. That's 100 points, right?
What,
no, yeah, you said that was 100 points.
Make love, not war.
Not combat. No, was it 30? 30 for 100?
70 points.
Okay.
We get our math
yeah,
and
just
numbers
like I lost track
mixed up
of
a little bit.
your count.
Challenge number 4. It's gonna be the sprint drag carry. We're a little nervous about this one.
This one's tough. It's got to be timed.
Yeah.
And it's hard combat moves.
You can see we got it set up. It's 25 meters. So what we got to do is we got to take the weights. This is 100 pounds. We got to drag it
backwards.
Yeah, backwards. We got to drag it backwards and then forward. So it's 25 meters one way, 25 the next. We're doing 50 meters. So the way this is gonna work, I'm gonna sprint 50 meters, I'm gonna drag the weight 50 meters, I'm gonna sprint 50 meters, I'm gonna carry 45-pound kettlebells 50 meters, and then I'm gonna sprint another 50 meters. Yeah, that challenge sounds tough.
Has anybody got 911 on speed dial? I mean, just in case.
Don't you have one of those little like help I've fallen I can't get up things?
You are 60 now.
He's got a pacemaker, which is also like a bat signal. So when he's in distress, you know, a little light goes out of there.
Here's yours.
One.
Yeah.
Go.
Go. Good, good. Alright, there we go. Sled. Stand for the sled. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go. Like a workhorse. Hell yeah. No, I know. This is the hardest part right here. Get through this. Come on, pull it. Shit.
Hey, you're doing good.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Okay, last Brandon. Think you'll do it. Run, Brandon, run. Go, 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 go.
141 meters and boom.
Nice.
1 second away from 100 points.
Dang.
1 second away. So you can do it in a minute and 40 seconds. I didn't think anybody could do that. Wow, good job.
We were doubting that.
And you averaged 147, right?
I gotta be honest.
That's hard for you.
After that sled, I couldn't use my legs. They're like seizing up. I was having a hard time extending them. I felt like I had 2 peg legs trying to run. Ooh, that was tough.
That sled thing, oh, that's a destroyer.
I feel like training like this though is definitely gonna get you in tip-top shape real quick. We'll be on the next challenge. This is challenge number
My brain isn't working as good
5,
as
I believe.
after the last challenge.
perpendicular to the bar, grasping, and then you're gonna be touching the knees to the elbows. No momentum. And we're gonna try, no touching the ground, all that, no momentum. And then we're gonna try for 20 reps, that's gold, that's 100 points.
Don't do it.
That was 18, I think. Oh, I crapped out. Couldn't do
tough.
it. I was starting to cheat a little bit, I think.
Shit after this, soldier.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
Sun's out, guns out.
1, 2, 3. Points. Good job. Good job. Woo! You did it.
Started as a competition. Now we've got even more camaraderie than we had in the beginning. So,
And that's the way it works.
Buff Dad,
Kind of
he's got this baby.
combat camaraderie. Here we go. Here we go. Leg up.
Leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wow. That's tougher than it looks.
That
Again.
was 9 and 5/8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last challenge, it's gonna be the 2-mile run. Probably the one that we've been looking forward to the least, but you know what?
Hey, we've gotten this far. Why not we complete the challenge?
When we're in the face of adversity, buff dudes just get strong.
Listen, it's only 8 laps. It's not like it's 20
Oh
laps.
shit, it's 8 laps?
Oh yeah, it's not much.
Last lap. Ooh, number 8. We're running close to 18 minutes. Ooh, almost there.
I need oxygen.
You're so awesome! Good job, Duke. Hell yeah.
Nice.
We did it.
Good job,
Hudson, I
Hudson.
know. We got there we go.
Boom.
Nice.
One day we'll get a cameraman.
Yeah, one day.
Yeah. Hey, there's nothing greater than to complete a challenge.
That's right.
I mean, especially one. I mean, tell you the truth, this was a tough one.
Yeah, definitely. Dudes and girls, thanks for the suggestion. Let us know what you want to see next in the comments below. And until next time, what do we say? Stay up. Stay up.